And that takes me to today's video sponsor, FLEXIMOUNTS.
Now, FLEXIMOUNTS makes some unique storage solutions, but what they sent us today is their garage ceiling storage lift. Aside from that, we'll be able to lift other things as well. A little hint, hint. This is gonna be absolutely awesome for the vehicles we have. Now that I've got it all laid out, you can see we've got an actual template to go off of. We've got all of the parts and the hardware. Everything's labeled really well, so it seems like it's gonna be pretty straightforward to put together. FLEXIMOUNTS is a U.S. company dedicated to providing effortless storage organization solutions for garage and home. Their products are highly rated on Amazon, with their classic garage racks being bestsellers, trusted by many for their quality and innovation. Obviously, it does get a little bit harder to do with weight, but it's not bad at all. As you can see, it has a robust design and it'll actually hold up to 300 pounds. Now, of course, this is primarily designed to store stuff up out of the way without having to use a ladder to get to it. But I want to test something else out today.
I don't think that's going anywhere.
Now that we have the rack all set up, I want to test out something that I've been wanting to try for a while. If this works, it'll make my life a whole lot easier. Now, to be fully transparent, whenever I was setting this up, I wasn't able to put it in the exact spot I wanted to. It's a little off-centered here, but it won't be much of an issue. And this Bronco top is pretty awkward, so if it takes off the Bronco top pretty easily, it'll obviously take off the Jeep top as well. Now, after you see what this is about to do, all of you guys are going to want to get one. So be sure to go look at the Amazon link in my description below. Now, there are a couple ways you can use this to lift up your top. All I've done is wrap a ratchet strap all the way down the center. And then just for the added security, I have put a ratchet strap in the back. I just want to have that extra stability. So now I'm going to raise it up and we're going to see how it goes. Now that we're raised up and out of the way, I'm going to pull the Bronco out and the top should just stay right there. And now whenever we want to put the top back on, we simply just back up into it and we are good to go. And this is pretty darn stable. It's not going anywhere. And just like that, it's back on. Now, a huge thank you to FLEXIMOUNTS for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys are interested in getting one of your very own, go down in the link in the description below and check them out.